Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the PANCKY PK0075 Metal Detector, a feature-packed, waterproof metal detector designed for adults and beginner treasure hunters. Whether you're hunting for coins, jewelry, or even gold, this detector promises high accuracy, advanced technology, and an ergonomic design at an affordable price. Let's find out if this is truly the best budget-friendly metal detector of 2025. The PANCKY PK0075 instantly stands out with its bold red and black design. It feels premium without being overly heavy. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it's easy to carry around on long hikes, beaches, or campsite explorations. The adjustable stem length, from 47.3 to 55.2 inches, ensures it's suitable for both adults and kids. One of the best things? The ergonomic armrest and anti-slip handle, which truly add comfort during long treasure hunting sessions. The build quality is solid, and it's clear this isn't a toy, it's a legit detector for serious use. Let's talk about functionality. The PANCKY PK0075 includes 5 distinct detection modes. All Metal mode detects all types of metals. Disc mode eliminates unwanted targets like nails or trash. Memory mode remembers a specific metal type you're searching for. Jewelry mode optimized for rings, bracelets, and necklaces. Pinpoint mode accurately zeroes in on buried objects. This gives you full control over your search, especially helpful in trash-heavy environments. The large backlit LCD display is bright and easy to read. It shows the metal type, depth, sensitivity, and battery level, and makes it effortless to navigate, even at night or in low-light conditions. Plus, the silicone buttons offer satisfying feedback and are incredibly responsive, perfect when you're wearing gloves outdoors. What sets the PANCKY apart from others in its price range is the upgraded DSP chip. This second-gen chip boosts detection accuracy and speed by up to 25% compared to older models. I tested this on various buried objects, coins, bottle caps, even a small silver bracelet, and the accuracy was truly impressive. The unit quickly recognized metals and ignored irrelevant signals, thanks to its smart discrimination system. Whether you're a beginner or a hobbyist, the chip makes your hunt more productive and less frustrating. Yes, the PANCKY PK0075 has IP68 rated waterproofing on the 10-inch search coil. That means you can use it in shallow water like streams, puddles, or wet sand. Just remember, the control box is not waterproof, so don't submerge that part. The waterproof coil opens up a lot of possibilities for riverside hunts or beachcombing after storms, 2 prime places where metal goodies often surface. The metal detector runs on 2 9V batteries included in the package, and you'll get several hours of use per session depending on mode and sensitivity. Now let's talk about value. This unit comes with a complete accessory bundle. A heavy-duty carrying bag, a solid steel shovel, high-quality wired headphones, 2 9V batteries, a full instruction manual. Everything is packed neatly and ideal for beginners or travelers who want a ready-to-go treasure hunting kit. User reviews for the PANCKY PK0075 have been overwhelmingly positive. One user shared a hilarious but real scenario. He lost his wife's keys in a snowstorm and managed to recover them 30 feet away from where he thought they were thanks to this detector. Saved himself the cost of a replacement fob. That's a win. Another reviewer bought this as a Corrections Week gift and mentioned it's one of the best gifts they've ever given. The recipient loved it, and now they're planning to buy one for themselves. It's stories like these that prove how practical and fun this product can be in everyday life. In my own testing, the PANCKY picked up U.S. quarters buried 6 to 8 inches deep, small nails at 4 inches, a silver chain at about 5 inches. The pinpoint mode worked very well in narrowing down the location before digging. I used it on both dry dirt and wet sand, and it performed admirably in both conditions. Pro tip: lower the sensitivity if you're around power lines or salty sea water. This helps reduce false positives. Pros: 5 intelligent detection modes. Advanced DSP chip for faster and more accurate results. Lightweight and ergonomically designed. Waterproof 10-inch coil for shallow water use. Beginner-friendly interface. Great value with full accessory kit. Cons. Controlled box isn't waterproof. Wired headphones may not be ideal for everyone. Slight learning curve on sensitivity settings for urban use. If you're new to treasure hunting or just want a dependable, fun tool for exploring the outdoors, the PANCKY PK0075 Metal Detector is an excellent choice. With its advanced technology, user-friendly design, and unbeatable value, this is easily one of the best beginner-friendly metal detectors of 2025. Whether you're scanning your backyard, beach, or hiking trail, this detector will help uncover your next hidden gem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your treasure hunting stories or questions about the PANCKY PK0075. Until next time, happy hunting!